How many of us still remember the classroom? One size fits all, textbooks, exams, and deadlines. In today's world, this traditional method is falling short. Why? Our world is changing fast. Technology, global challenges, and new ways of thinking. But our education system still relies heavily on outdated methods, memorization, exams, and rigid structures. What we need is a shift towards a holistic, future-focused education system. Creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving should be as important as math and science. We need to focus on collaboration over competition, experiential learning over rote memorization. Education should be a journey, not just a destination. It should teach us how to think, not just what to think. We need to prepare students not just for jobs, but for a world full of uncertainty and change. Let's teach students how to manage emotions, deal with failures, and communicate effectively. All part of a holistic education. One essential skill that's missing? Financial literacy. Schools rarely teach us how to manage money, budget, or even invest for the future. Understanding savings, investments, and debt management is just as important as understanding algebra or history. Education should nurture curiosity, resilience, financial independence, and the ability to adapt. The future depends on how we teach today. It's time to rethink education. For tomorrow, we need today's students to think beyond the classroom and be equipped for a world of opportunities, including financial freedom.